Hello YouTube, today we'll be doing a toy review. Oh, I hate this tablet. Yeah, okay, sorry if that happens like 20 million times in this video, but we're gonna do a toy review brought to you by Mattel. It's also an unboxing, but if you cannot see already, it is Fusion done. This is Nathan Rod. That's all I'm going to be doing. Today we're going to unbox him. I'm just going to sacrifice my beautiful nails for the sake of this video. Kind of ripped stuff in the card. Got this at Walmart for like, I got this at Walmart for like $15. There's some scissors. So yeah, that's the price of it. So excited! It's all out. I'll try it. Stupid doll. Out of your box. Oh. You don't want to come out of this box. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I did it. I gotta get him out here. Did it. Something fell. Put that aside. So this is what we have here. Oop. Okay, what we have is we have his stand. Got his big stand. We got his little comb right here. We got him. His beautiful glory. And then, oh yeah, he has a hat on too. I got a little hat right here. So, yeah. As you know, if you don't know, boy dolls are everywhere. Every 50 girl dolls they make like one boy doll. It sucks. Got his hands, freeze, hands wiggling. Help me. He's a zombie mixed with a unicorn. He'll go very well with my alien trainer. Okay. Other hand is free. Reach out to the world. It's so hard to get unboxed. Yes. Leg. His other legs are out. This leg is. Where's there? He's gonna be freedom. He's gonna be freedom. Perfect grammar. This, if you've ever unboxed one of these, you know it's freaking. What is it? Ah! Okay. I got his hat. It fit me. Smack. I'm excited. Okay. Have my hat. Sword. For some reason, I really hope this will get like this will be a normal video because a lot of times my videos, it's like I'll be in the middle of a video and then right on the spot it'll just turn off. Yeah. I'll just like turn off right while I'm recording and like I was making a cooking show. And my tablet turned off while I was recording, so stomach has freaking 6-pack. And I was so mad, I almost threw my tablet out. He's in the he should be in The Walking Dead. This is a zombie. His head is stuck. His head is stuck. I know what to do. Gotta cut him free. Oh, here's the stand. Got the stand thing out. Gotta get the other one too. Okay, I got the stand out. It's really weird how with like some of the high dolls stuff is yellow now. It'd be really cool if like his horn lit up too. He has a unicorn horn. It'd be really cool if it lit up. Because I don't think you can see, but yeah, you can't see. But it's like see-through, so it really looks like it lit up, but it does not. Which really is a suck. That sucks. Okay. How is this possible? He has like tags in the back of his head. Oh yay, got him out. Okay. Oh yeah, hairbrush. Excuse my mother's rage of becoming man. He has hairbrush now. Yeah, his beautiful glory.
Is this colored iron broken?
His hair is out. He has a beautiful piece of hair that's sticking out. You can't see it.
Turning on.
Look at this. It's sticking. Okay. Okay, now you can see. Look at his horn. He has a horn. Really looks like it can light up, but it can't. I mean, like, it's like hair is like.
What?
Okay.
What?
You're on. No. You. Get. Okay. Ew. His hair is plasticky. That's why they give you a hairbrush to brush his beautiful hair. His hair is literally like, feels like freaking plastic. Like when you have sauce in your hair and you're eating spaghetti and like an hour later you find sauce in your hair. That's like what it seriously felt like right there. He's beautiful. Hopefully I can make a Monster High video soon. But I think I'm gonna be making an update video saying updates about the people of the channel, like my channel people. Oh yeah, and also happy Valentine's Day. This is so long. Happy Valentine's Day. But also in the box, if you like rewinded to the beginning of this video when I showed him in the box, you could kind of see he was like in this position. His arm was kind of like this or something, I don't know. But if you really fast forward, you could see that his hand was like right there. His hand was very close to his butt cheeks. If you could see that. I saw it in the car. I haven't got a clue. Yeah. It's really like to see what's going on. Him and Avia Charter are gonna get along just fine. Even though he's dating Frankie. Anyone notice about that Frankie, she dated her grandfather and flirted with him, and then there was a Beast guy, and he really liked her mom, and then he dated her, which was weird. And she dated him, and she dates too many people. Ooh, his feet move. Oh yeah, I got his hat on. Can't put his hat on. It's like complicated. Gosh, this thing. Wanting to hear by the still watch the video because it's very complicated to get his hat on. Ooh, got the earring, but this other ear is not working with me. Got it on his fat head. What do you have a fat head? Okay, he's fine. Yeah. Also, on the cover, plastic everywhere. Okay. See his boots? You cannot see from this terrible lighting, but like, it has like spikes right here. It has like really big spikes, but on the actual doll, it just kind of has nubs. It has like nubs. Same with the sides. I really thought there was actually going to be like huge spikes like on the helmet. There's spikes like that big. Ooh, like his pose. Like he's like, oh dear Lord. No. Okay. So yeah. That was on my unboxing, and I hope you see. I see you. Jerk. Okay. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah. Mr. Idiot. He slapped my ear, if you don't know. It really hurt. Bye. Bye. I would have hated everyone's ear.